Recent events in the residential housing market have shed light on the potential pitfalls associated with owning a home. These problems become paramount when prospective homebuyers do not fully understand the financial obligations associated with home ownership. Over the last decade, homeowners have experienced a dramatic boom-to-bust housing market cycle. During this time, more than 5 million families have lost their homes to foreclosure, more than $7.5 trillion in home equity has been eliminated, and nearly 10 million people are underwater on their mortgage loan. To make matters worse, over 20 million people are now spending more than half of their household income on housing. With this in mind, for the first half of 2014, homes in 20 cities that make up the Adkins 60-City Home Price Index are classified as overpriced. At Adkins Capital Management, our mission is to bridge the gaps in the residential housing market, where deficiencies in public policy, regulation, product structure, and personnel have fostered a tumultuous residential real estate environment. In light of these problems, our goal is to make available to prospective homebuyers a comprehensive, accurate, automated, user-friendly, and affordable residential real estate analysis software application. In addition, our goal is to offer contemporary information about the trends and events that are taking place in the residential housing market. With this vision in mind, we are committed to making Adkins Capital Management, our residential real estate analysis software application, and our research the premier source for conducting residential real estate analysis. As a privately owned and independently operated company, we strive to fulfill our mission and goal by providing prospective homebuyers with the information and tools that they need to use in order to make a prudent home purchase decision. We are now making available to prospective homebuyers an internet-based residential real estate analysis software application. Our product, which is marketed as the Adkins Residential Home Valuation Analyzer, provides logical, intuitive, and unique analytical capabilities. By utilizing the ARAVA software application via our cloud-based platform, prospective homebuyers will have the ability to make a prudent home purchase decision. From a bottom-up perspective, ARAVA Analytics will allow prospective homebuyers to calculate their monthly loan payment, to analyze their interest and principal accumulation over the life of their loan, to evaluate their outstanding loan balance, and to assess the cost impact of a volatile mortgage loan interest rate environment. ARAVA Analytics will allow prospective homebuyers to analyze maintenance costs, property taxes, the benefits of the interest tax shield, the cost for natural disaster insurance, and private mortgage insurance, the transaction costs paid to a real estate agent, and the impact of closing costs that will be paid to the mortgage lender. By utilizing a bottom-up expense level methodology, prospective homebuyers will be able to analyze total monthly home ownership costs in conjunction with cumulative home ownership costs over a 30-year time horizon. ARAVA Analytics will allow prospective homebuyers to evaluate total home ownership costs as a percentage of household income, and it will allow prospective homebuyers to determine how much a home will need to appreciate in value each year in order to offset the costs associated with owning a home. ARAVA Analytics will also allow prospective homebuyers to determine the largest amount of money they should spend in order to purchase a home, and to determine the amount of household income they would need to earn on an annual basis in order to afford to purchase a specific home. From a top-down perspective, ARAVA Analytics will allow prospective homebuyers to accurately determine the level of overpricing or underpricing of homes in their community by calculating the cost of debt that justifies the price level of homes in their community. ARAVA Analytics will also allow prospective homebuyers to accurately determine the level of overpricing or underpricing of homes in their community by calculating the percentage of household income that would have to be spent by the people that live in their community in order to justify the price level of homes in their community. With this information, Prospective homebuyers will be able to compare these calculations against the prevailing cost of debt for a 30-year fixed-rate loan in their community, as well as the largest amount of money that they believe should be spent in order to repay the costs of a mortgage loan. By making these comparisons, ARAVA Analytics will allow prospective homebuyers to precisely assess the level of overpricing or underpricing of homes in their community. Given the events that have transpired this century in the residential housing market, and taking into account the fact that buying a home will likely be the largest single financial transaction that prospective homebuyers will ever make, and the bulk of their net worth will likely be tied up in their home, prospective homebuyers should subscribe to use the ARAVA software application in order to accurately assess the level of underpricing or overpricing of homes in their community, the largest amount of money that they should spend in order to purchase a home, and the amount of money that they would need to earn on an annual basis in order to be able to afford to purchase a specific home. In addition, prospective homebuyers should subscribe to use the ARAVA Residential Real Estate Analysis software application in order to accurately assess total home ownership costs, expressed as a percentage of household income, and to determine how much a home would need to appreciate in value each year in order to offset the costs associated with owning a home. For more information about Adkins Capital Management, the ARAVA Residential Real Estate Analysis software application, and ARAVA Analytics, visit the Adkins Capital Management website at any time from anywhere.